Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to repost a video I did a couple weeks ago about VPNs because I want to make sure that everybody has an opportunity to see that video before I start going over my next few videos. And in the next couple weeks, I'm going to be really focused on geo-restricted content. So what is that exactly? Well, I'll tell you. So let's just say, for example, Pluto TV. That is an app that to get the full access to the entire channel catalog, it's only available in the United States. Although with what I'm going to share with you and having a VPN, you're going to be able to get that in any country, okay? So the use of a VPN, you can change your location to the US and get that. Another example would be Netflix, for example. So Netflix has different programming for different countries. A quick example, I was in Punta Cana on vacation and I came across a fantastic TV show and I thought, oh my gosh, it's on Netflix. That was great. I was watching it. I got through 3 episodes on my whole vacation. Only 3 because I was on vacation, but I figured I'll finish it when I get home. Came back to the United States, it wasn't available. I was very frustrated, and then I stumbled myself, this was years ago, I stumbled across a VPN and I changed my location back to Punta Cana and I was able to finish that series. Guys, it's a pretty cool thing, and that's just the geo-restricted, not just the obvious of protecting yourself against hackers. So a VPN is very important, particularly if you're streaming or if you want to catch content that's only available in certain countries. So I'm going to repost that top 3 VPNs on the Amazon Firestick video. I'm going to do that right now, guys. Hey guys, looking for a VPN? I've got free VPNs I want to share with you. Alright guys, so what is a VPN and why do you need a VPN? We're going to talk about that today, okay? So let's get to the computer, let's check it out, and let's talk about it now. Alright, so a VPN or virtual private network allows you to connect with the internet through a private network. It's more like a tunnel where only you can drive your car, hence almost no chance of an accident. While using a VPN, you can access public network or internet through a private network where you can secure your connection from hackers and from any unwanted party by hiding your real IP address. VPN also helps in accessing geographically restricted content with utmost security through a virtual IP of the country or location you have selected. Now, there are paid VPNs and free VPNs. Free VPNs are better than nothing, but again, they will never provide you with the features provided by paid VPNs. So the number 1 VPN on the market that's free, in my opinion, is Windscribe. I like Windscribe because it is got a large data limit and it unblocks Netflix, and the compatibility with Amazon Fire TV is one of the best in the industry for a free plan. This particular provider was founded in 2016 in the Canadian province of Ontario. It has not just a free but a premium version of their VPN, which is great. So you can actually try it out without having to give your credit card information and get a 30-day free trial. This one actually has a free plan. The free plan has 10 gigabytes of monthly data allowed. Of course, it unblocks Netflix. You can customize subscription plans and have unlimited simultaneous connections. A few cons against it: the performance could be better at times depending on where you're at, and they don't have a 24/7 live chat. However, they do have a chat available during business hours. A little bit about what Windscribe and what you get. The free plan will give you very generous 10 gigabytes of data traffic per month under the condition that you sign up for an account. However, if you don't want to give out your email address, you can still use the service for free, but you just get 2 gigabytes of space if you do that. You'll also have access to 10 servers, which is probably enough for most light users. If you need more, you can get the full VPN functionality by purchasing one of the paid plans. This will enable you to connect to a solidly sized network of over 100, I think it's like 110 cities in over 60 countries. The premium subscription also gives you access to content for various reasons blocked in certain regions, including Netflix, for which the company has specific servers called WinFlix. Torrenting is also supported, although not all servers are optimized for that. They also have a desktop extension if you want to use this on your desktop as well, which is kind of nice because you can use it both on your Fire Stick and your desktop and get dual use out of it. Again, their customer service is It does have a support. It's a bot that answers a lot of questions, but then you can also do the chat on the website or submit a ticket during business hours. Email responses are usually pretty quick. Performance-wise, what I love about Windscribe is it always connects without failure. Although some connections take a little bit longer to establish. I think it's like 7 to 14 seconds. A traditional VPN would be like 3 to 5 seconds. So it does take a little bit longer to connect, but you don't get the errors and you do connect much, much easier. Pricing wise, if you do the 12-month plan, it's about $4 a month if you decide to go that route, or $9 per month if you go month to month. But I would recommend trying it as a free first, and if it works and it's compatible and you think you need a little bit more space if you want to stream more things, then maybe go with the paid one, but you don't have to get locked into a trial and then get billed later. You can just use this as a free one. So I do like it. Again, it's called Windscribe. Now let's get to number 2. TunnelBear. TunnelBear is extremely popular in the VPN world right now because they do have a completely free version. Unfortunately, the free version only gives you about 500 megabytes of monthly usage versus the subscription ones that have a lot more. But it is very popular. It is best known for their ease of use. You can switch between devices, whether it's your phone, your iPad, your Firestick, your laptop, your TV, whatever it is, you can do it with TunnelBear, and you can switch between them, which is very, very nice. Just an example as far as pricing goes, the free plan has 500 megabytes of data per month. It's a good way to find out if TunnelBear works for you. It's not a trial period like some of the others. It's an actual free service. So if you end up finding that you need more than 500 megabytes of data per month, then you can upgrade month to month or do a whole year for half of that price. It's only $10 a month if you go month to month, or $5 a month if you are billed for the entire 12 months at once. And that includes unlimited data, up to 5 connected devices, and priority customer service. So a lot of people really like TunnelBear. I personally have not used it. I did do a free trial just to make sure that it's compatible with ad blockers, and it was. And then I closed it because I have a pretty good paid service that I use, ExpressVPN, which works for me due to streaming speeds. TunnelBear is really one of the faster ones, though. It is engineered for speed. They don't have as many locations around the world as some of the others, but for a free service to try it is not a bad deal at all. So TunnelBear, without question, is my number 2 free VPN. Hide.me is definitely in the top 3. There are things about it that make it my favorite or my second favorite, but overall I would say probably if you look at the entire package of what you get, HideMe is a great option as well, and it's my number 3 free VPN. You do get more than TunnelBear. You get 2 gigabytes of data transfer, but not quite as much as Windscribe. You only get 1 simultaneous free connection and 5 worldwide locations for the free plan. You can upgrade to the premium, just like the other 2, for $5.41 a month, which includes unlimited data and up to 10 connections. So you get twice as much as the TunnelBear, and they have 57 worldwide locations. They are extremely geographically diverse for their paid plan, of course not for their free plan, but it's great to be able to try it and not have to give credit card information. And if it's enough for you, 2 gigabytes is enough for a lot of people. It's not a bad deal at all. All 3 that I mentioned here in this video are all highly rated, extremely secure. Even with their free plans, they're way better than nothing at all. I recommend any of the 3 of these. I have tested all 3 with Blockada, and they work even with the free plan. A lot of VPNs, you have to have the subscription plan to be compatible with certain ad blockers, and you do not with these 3. So these are the 3 that I recommend. Hopefully this video helped you guys out a little bit. You can try any one of them. You can flip a coin, draw a name out of a hat, or just try each one individually on different devices and see which one you like. Certain ones are easier to use than others. Some connect faster. Some have faster streaming speeds. And there's no reason you can't try all 3 of these. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit that thumbs up. Let me know if you like this video, and I'll do more videos like this as well. I'm going to be doing a top 3 paid VPNs as well, and one of these is on that list, so make sure you check that video out as well if you're interested in maybe upgrading. But if you're looking for a free VPN, any of these 3 will do you just fine. Thank you so much for watching.